class, welcome to Measurement with Miss Ebony. Today our focus is going to be on capacity. Capacity? What is capacity? Glad you asked. In simplest terms, capacity is the amount a container can hold. So today we are holding class in my kitchen. I have here a fork and a measuring cup. If I want to know how much water could fill a bowl, do you think I would use a fork or a measuring cup? Well, if you think about it, a fork has spaces between the tips, so the liquid wouldn't stay. But a measuring cup is able to hold liquids or any cooking ingredients you might use. So today the question is, how many cups does it take to fill a container? Well, if you remember in measurement, we always have to label the units used. But with measuring cups, there are multiple quantities. Take a look. I have 1/4 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup, and 1 cup. Today, we are going to see how many 1/3 cups it takes to fill a sippy cup, a bowl, and a glass dish. If you look at these 3 containers, can anyone tell me which one is taller? You got it. The sippy cup is taller. Can anyone tell me which container is wider? Great, friends. The glass dish is the widest. All right, so as I pour water into the 1/3 cup, I want you guys to count along, either with your fingers or out loud, as I pour each cup into the container. Let's start with the sippy cup. 1/3 of a cup. 2 1/3 of a cup. 3 1/3 of a cup. 4 1/3 of a cup. 5 1/3 of a cup. So as we can see, it took 5 1/3 of a cup. Let's come over here and let's make sure we document our measurement. So number 1, sippy cup, it would be 5 1/3 of a cup. Next, the bowl. Let's see how many 1/3 cups it takes to fill the bowl. 1 1/3 of a cup. 2 1/3 of a cup. 3 1/3 of a cup. 4 1/3 of a cup. 5 1/3 of a cup. 6 1/3 of a cup. 7 1/3 of a cup. 8 1/3 of a cup. 9 1/3 of a cup. 10 1/3 of a cup. So let's come back to our chart and document our findings. So for the bowl, we would write 10 1/3 cups. And the last container we are going to see is the glass dish. Count along with me to see how many 1/3 cups it takes to fill the glass dish. 1 1/3 of a cup. Oop, a little water got out there. 2 1/3 of a cup. 3 1/3 of a cup. 4 1/3 of a cup, 5 1/3 of a cup, 6 1/3 of a cup, 7 1/3 of a cup, 8 1/3 of a cup, 9 1/3 of a cup, 10 1/3 of a cup, 11 1/3 of a cup, 12 1/3 of a cup. So let's come back over to record our findings. And under number 3, the glass dish, we would write 12 1/3 cups. So, as we can see, the sippy cup took 5 1/3 cups to be filled. The bowl took 10 1/3 cups to be filled. And the glass dish took 12 1/3 cups to be filled. Which cup took the least amount of 1/3 cups to be filled? Right, the first container, the sippy cup. Which container took the most amount of 1/3 cups to be filled? Yes, the glass dish, our last container. So, you just saw me do the activity. Now it's your turn to do the activity. I want you to find 3 containers in your house and 1 measuring cup. Remember the unit used. You can do 1/4 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup, a half a cup, or 1 cup. And I want you to see how many cups it takes to fill your containers. Make sure you document your findings. Enjoy!